Hi, we're going to Grandpa's to count his farm animals. Wanna come? Let's go! Moo! Wow, Grandpa sure has a lot of cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cows that go. Moo! Oink, oink. Wow, Grandpa sure has a lot of pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pigs that go. Oink, oink. Cluck, cluck. Wow, Grandpa sure has a lot of chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chickens that go. Cluck, cluck. Bah! And Grandpa sure has a lot of sheep too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sheep that go. Bah! Quack, quack. Grandpa also has some ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks that go. Quack, quack. Nay! Grandpa's farm has some horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 horses that go. Nay! Meh! Look, Grandpa has some goats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goats that go. Meh! Meow! Grandpa has some cats. 1, 2, 3. 3 kittens that go. Meow! Woof, woof! Grandpa owns 2 dogs. 1, 2. 2 dogs that go. Woof, woof! Cock-a-doodle-doo! At Grandpa's farm, there is a rooster. 1 rooster that goes. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Going to Grandpa's farm was so much fun. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.